All these suspected criminals lined up here are said to be terrorizing Kampala, mostly in the areas of Chisenyi and the city center.
I have nothing what I have done. I have my ID. I have nothing what I have done, but we have just arrested. Now what will I do next when I'm from here?
Police alleges that these criminals who specialize in pickpocketing hide in the city trenches, mostly in Nachivubo Channel. They were rounded up this Thursday in an operation which was specifically carried out in the drainage channels.
Any person they didn't do anything. I'm selling my ticket. People just arrested me because they jealous of me.
Police will prosecute these criminals after carrying out adequate screening. The district police commander for Central Police Station, Aaron Baguma, vowed not to rest until the Chifesi crew is no more in the city.
These are habitual offenders. We arrest them, take them to court, go back to Ruzira. We arrest them because I can see here, I have arrested more than 100 before. And the same group, we have arrested them. So we shall not get tired of our operation. And I want to inform the public that this word Chifesi, maybe people are using it with their self-interest. We are not going to remain there and Chifesi. No. For us, we shall continue with operation and we shall continue arresting these criminals.
Chifesi is currently one of Uganda's most notorious and dangerous criminal gang in the city. Juliet Namwaya, Urban TV.